National health programs in India. The first most important program is National AIDS Control Program (NACP). National AIDS Control Program. According to this National AIDS Control Program, the major objective is to prevent the control the spreading of HIV and AIDS. According to National AIDS Control Program, government established a National AIDS Control Organization (NACO). HIV is a human immunodeficiency virus, comes under lentivirus or retrovirus. Most commonly affects the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS. It mainly specifically causes failure of immune system, including blood cells, especially CD4 plus T cells, and there is no curing of HIV infection. Nowadays, most of the people are living with HIV for longer days. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. It is first name can be given by International Committee on Virus Nomenclature decided the HIV name in 1986. It is most commonly causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The family of viruses is known for latency, persistent viremia, infections of nervous system, and weak the immune system responses. It is most commonly high affinity to CD4 T cells like lymphocytes and monocytes. These HIV virus binding to CD4 cells and become internalized and replicate the virus itself in copying the DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme. The viral DNA becomes incorporated into host DNA and further goes replication. AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is also called as diseases. It is a fatal disease causes total loss of immune system. It is a global pandemic diseases due to prevalence of these AIDS. The countries are classified into different types: high prevalence and moderate prevalence and low prevalence. In high prevalence areas, high risk group peoples are more than 5% and more than 1% in ANC. Examples of states having high risk is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur and Karnataka and Nagaland. Moderate prevalence is in between more than 5% in high risk groups and less than 1% of in ANC. Examples are Gujarat, Puducherry and Goa. And low prevalence states are having less than 5% in human or high risk groups and less than 1% of ANC. Remaining all states and union territories are comes under these states. And based on the prevalence of AIDS, districts are classified into four types: A, B, C, and D. More than 1% of ANC prevalence in district any one of the sites in the last 3 years having category A, in category B having less than 1% of ANC prevalence in all the sites during last 3 years, with more than 5% prevalence in high risk group sites like sexually transmitted diseases, female sex workers, and male sex workers, and also injecting drugs usage comes under category B districts. Category C districts means having less than 1% of ANC prevalence in all sites during last 3 years, with less than 5% in all high risk group sites with migrants, truckers, and large aggregation of factory workers and tourists. And classification D or category D districts having less than 1% of ANC prevalence in all sites during the last 3 years, with less than 5% of all high risk group sites with have no hotspots or no or poor HIV data. Based on the prevalence of high risk group sites and ANC, districts are classified into four categories A, B, C, D. The major transmission or mode of transmission of HIV are unprotected sexual intercourse with an infected partner, and transmission of HIV from mother to fetus during pregnancy period in utero and causes during delivery, and also transmission causes breastfeeding, and also using injecting drug use IDU injection drug use. This type of transmission is rare, but these are the major routes of transmission of HIV infection. The government declares 1st December in every year declared as a World AIDS Day to create awareness about HIV and AIDS related problems to the children and adults. The National AIDS Control Program NACP, the first National AIDS Control Program, was launched in 1987 under the coordination with National AIDS Control Program. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare set a National AIDS Control Organization as a separate to wing to implement and closely monitor the components of the various programs under National AIDS Control Programs. The first HIV infection can be recognized in 1986 in India by commercial sex workers in Tamil Nadu. 10 positive samples were found from 102 female sex workers in Chennai. And also first human AIDS was recognized in 1981 in homosexual men in United States of America. It will rapidly enter along the world. In 1986, the first HIV infection case can be detected. The government set up the AIDS task force under the Indian Council of Medical Research and established the National AIDS Committee, chaired by Secretary of Department of Health and Family Welfare. In 1987, National AIDS Control Program was initiated with the help of World Bank. In 1989, medium-term plan for AIDS control was developed by the support given by World Health Organization. The first case can be identified in 1986 in India. National AIDS control programs in India having four phases. The first AIDS control program, phase 1, launched in 1992 in September up to March 1999. The second phase of National AIDS Control Program 2, launched in 1999 to decentralization of program by involvement of state level and district level to NGOs. The National AIDS Control Program 3 can be involved and launched in July 2017. It is implemented during 2007 to 2012. The National AIDS Control Program 3 having providing care, support and treatment services to the HIV and AIDS persons. National AIDS Control Program Phase 4 can be developed during the period April 2017 March. The milestones in National AIDS Control Programs are first National AIDS Control Program was launched in 1987 by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and also set up the National AIDS Control Organization. By the establishment of National AIDS Control Program having milestones in 1986, first case of HIV can be detected and established the AIDS task force set up by the Indian Council of Medical Research and National AIDS Committee established under Ministry of Health. In 1990, medium term plan launched for 4 states and also launched in 4 metros. In 1992, the phase 1 of National AIDS Control Program launched to prevent the slowdown of spreading of HIV infection under this constitution. National AIDS Control Board constituted and also set up the National AIDS Control Organization. The phase 2 begins in 1999. It is mainly focusing on behavioral changes and also increase the decentralization services by establishment of various state and central government level centers by using NGOs and also establish the state AIDS control organization or societies. In 2002, National AIDS control policy can be adopted and also national blood policy also can be adopted. In 2004, ART is initiated antiretroviral treatment for HIV and AIDS affected peoples. In 2006, National Council on AIDS constituted under the chairmanship of Prime Minister and also formulate the national policy on pediatric antiretroviral treatment. And also in 2007, National AIDS Control Program Phase 3 can be launched. It is having up to 5 years come from 2007 to 2012. The fourth phase of National AIDS Control Program launched for 5 years in 2014. It comes duration is 2012 to 2017. The first phase of National AIDS Control Program can be introduced in September 1992 to 1999 March. The major objective of National AIDS Control Program is slow and prevents the spread of human immunovirus through major efforts to prevent the HIV transmission by reducing the mortality rate and also reduce the morbidity rate and reduce the impact of AIDS in the country. The major strategies of National AIDS Control Program is mainly focusing on create awareness and also maintenance blood safety and prevention among the high risk group peoples or populations, improving the HIV surveillance services. The major achievements of National AIDS Control Program: one, by establishment of both national and state levels, providing financial support, and also with the help of World Health Organization to mobilize the donor resources and establish the state AIDS control centers and improvements in blood safety techniques and establishment of HIV surveillance like Sentinel services and also improve the coverage and reliability of data and include the condom promotion activities in district and village levels and adopt the national HIV testing policy. The condom program are an HIV or sexually transmitted diseases prevention strategy to help the increase the availability and accessibility of condoms in efforts to prevent the spreading of HIV to cause the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome to patients. These by this program, condoms are supplied at village level at free of cost. The second level of National AIDS Control Program was established in 2000, 1999 to reduce the spread of HIV infection in India is the major objective of National AIDS Control Program by taking behavioral change and also increase the capacity of HIV patient responses by using the targeted interventions TI for high risk groups and maintaining preventive interventions for general population and involves the NGOs and improves the strength of institutions and also adopt the national AIDS prevention and control policy and greater involvement of peoples with HIV and AIDS and also establishment of national adolescents education program and introducing the counseling and testing and prevention of parent to child transmission of AIDS and also establishment of national antiretroviral treatment ART program and setting of various states AIDS control societies in all states by the establishment of or launching of National AIDS Control Program to 1033 targeted interventions are set up and 875 volunteers can be counseled and tested and 679 sexually transmitted infections are established or clinics are established and prevents the transmission of parent to child transmission of AIDS from parent to child and also maintain the computerized management information system can be created. The third phase of National AIDS Control Program 3 was launched in July 2017 for up to 5 years. The major goal of National AIDS Control Program was halting and reversing the epidemic by end of the project period up to 5 years until 2012 by preventing the high risk group populations and general populations, and providing care, support, and treatment by establishment of technical support units and providing state training resource centers, and also using strategic information management systems. By this National AIDS Control Program, there are 306 functional antiretroviral treatment centers are developed and nearly 12.5 lakh people are registered people living with HIV, and 4 lakhs 20,000 patients were on taking antiretroviral therapy, and also established the 612 link antiretroviral centers, and talking about peoples living with HIV up to 26,023, there are 7 regional pediatric centers are function established, and also 259 community care centers are established, and free distribution of 6,000 condoms and in 6,000 villages, and also establishment of 3,000 red ribbon clubs, and providing training to the link workers by training them, and also the fourth phase of National AIDS Control Program was established in April 2017. The major objective of National AIDS Control Program is reduce the new infections up to 50%, and providing care, support, and treatment to the all persons living with human immunovirus or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It was launched in 2012. According to National AIDS Control Program, released the Sankalak program, and also launching National AIDS Control Support Project. The major services provided by the National AIDS Control Program fourth is targeted preventive services include targeted intervention to the high risk peoples, and also opioid substitute therapy, and also injecting drug usage, migrant populations, link worker scheme, prevention and control of sexually transmitted infections and respiratory tract infections, blood transfusion services, HIV counseling and testing, prevention of pregnant parent to child transmission, condom promotion, information and education and communication, and bacterial vaccination program, and social mobilization and mainstreaming of HIV and AIDS workplace interventions comes under prevention services, and providing care and support and treatment involves by testing of CD4 to viral load testing, and diagnosis of HIV to free first line and second line antiretroviral therapies by establishment of antiretroviral centers, and linked with ART centers and Center of Excellence and ART Plus centers, and establishment of pediatric antiretroviral therapy, and nutritional and psychosocial support to community and support centers, and coordination with HIV and TB patients, and treatment opportunity infections. The major preventive services BCC means behavioral change communication by using needle syringe exchange program and SEP. and also drop-in centers for peoples living with HIV networks